வணக்கம். Welcome back, Python learners of in International Network School of Research and Invention. Now we learn about Python install. That means how to install Python program in your computer, or already have it or not, how to check it. Many PCs and Macs will have Python already installed. To check if you have Python installed on a Windows PC, search in the start bar for Python or run the following on the command line. Command.exe. So here you type py. This is the command prompt already open here. So just type py and enter. Then it will show you that Python, what is the version is installed, and what is the copyright, what is the license, what is the credit, everything is shown here. So to check if you have Python installed on the Linux or Mac, then on Linux open the command line, or on Mac open the terminal and type. If you find that you do not have Python installed on your computer, then you can download it for free from the following website: https://www.python.org/ Python Quick Start. Python is an interpreter programming language. This means that as a developer, you write Python, that is .py, files in a text editor, and then put those files into the Python interpreters to be executed. The way to run a Python files is like this on the command line. Let me show you how you can write, where the file name .py is the name of your Python file. Let's write our first Python file called win.py, which can be done in any text editor. So you can see here, I will show you how to do that in this command prompt itself, what is the reply coming out. So in the command line, I just type this one, then you can see that to test it short amount of code in Python, sometimes it is quickest and easiest not to write the code in a file. This is made possible because Python can be run as a command line itself. Type the following on the Windows, Mac or Linux commands line. For example, I'll write here print, print, bracket, double quotes, hello Python learners, hello Python learners, welcome to learn Python, double quote, then close the bracket. So now this is the command, I just type it here. Similarly, you can also type in your computer. So you can open command prompt, then check whether your computer have Python programming. So just type py, then you can see what is the version, what is the Python program have. Then you just test it, print bracket, colon, any word, any text you want to type which is to be displayed, printable, then you can just put it, code, close the code, then close the bracket. After that you press enter. It will say that hello Python learners, welcome to learn Python. So this is the way you can check this one is ready for use. This is already available, so by using this you can learn Python. So you want to go to the Python programming, so we can use this way. So in this screen now you are seeing this is Python shell 3.8.1. so here we can do same thing what have that we can simply do here also. For example, I put print bracket open, quote open, double quote. So the syntax you can see here, it will show you the example how to type the syntax, what is the thing. So here value, then what is what, like that. It will show you the syntax format. So you see that this is close with the quotes. So print, then I put here hello, comma, how are you learners, how are you Python learners. So whatever the text you want to type, that is to be printed, that is to be displayed, you can type. Then after that you close it. So once you done the closing, this is the syntax is correct. So here you are done this syntax. Once you done this, you have to run. Whenever you are done in the Python command line, you can simply type the following to hit the Python command line interface. So just can go. So here in this one I just put it in this way, just press enter. Then you see that hello, how are you Python learners, it will print out. So this is the way, very easy in Python. Any text, any words can do that, simple like simple English can do that. This is the way you can learn Python. So this particular learning lesson you learned how to install Python program in your computer. Okay, that's all. In next lesson we see again. Thank you.